Your Nick Jr. friends are getting their royal portraits painted.
Wow!
Can you guess who's being painted? He's a pup who can dig it on the double. Do you know who it is? You got it! It's Rubble!
Make way for the king of the castle!
How about this one? She's got great hair, and her pup Doodle's really funny. Can you guess who it is? Yeah, it's Sunny! Try this one. She's a princess whose heart always shines bright. Who is it? Yeah, it's Nella the Princess Knight!
Royalicious!
Let's try one more. As the Guppies' teacher, he's really super. Can you guess who it is? Yeah, it's Mr. Grouper.
Take these crayons, O knight, and decorate thy shield.
You have royally awesome guessing skills. Have more fun with your Nick Jr. friends everywhere you find Nick Jr. You can find more shorts and episodes in the free Nick Jr. app.